Civil environmental engineering is concerned with the built and the natural infrastructure that supports life as we understand it. We're concerned with roadways, transportation systems, buildings, water supply, and the parts of the natural environment that are critical to daily life. So we have a new program that we're just starting this year in architectural engineering and design. It arises from a variety of facts and forces. We're in the Chicago metropolitan area, which has been the center of architectural innovation in the United States for 100 years. While there are some formal architecture programs around, Northwestern is a quality institution and with great strength in engineering that hasn't been, until recently, been in the architecture business. And so we decided to develop this thrust. My spirits are lifted when I walk down the hall and see faculty members from different groups, distinctly different groups in civil and environmental engineering, standing in the hallway and talking about research. This is very common. What's wonderful about the McCormick School is that physically we're located in a relatively small space. So we're spread over 3 buildings that are connected with internal connections. Faculty interact with each other because they see each other, and the administrative boundaries between departments are essentially non-existent from the point of view of collaborative research. Our faculty members are not isolated in the university, so part of the collaboration that people engage in goes beyond the walls of the university, and so our faculty members tend to know people in the business, in the profession in which they work, and they're directly involved in making these contacts. It's very easy for students to develop close personal relationships, not only with the students sitting next to them in class or in lab, but also with faculty members. And those close personal relationships are the basis for extended learning in a variety of ways. I think you'll find across the board that faculty in McCormick are very well motivated to help their students in placement, not only in internships, but in career positions and in helping them get into graduate school. The fact is that as a faculty member and as a manager at Northwestern, it's very much to my advantage and to my satisfaction to see my students have great success. I'm looking for students who are very motivated to make the world a better place, which is really a primary mission of people who work in civil and environmental engineering, but I think it's a primary mission of engineers in general. All of engineering is a creative field because engineering is focused on solving problems, finding the resources and deploying the resources to solve problems, and that, by definition, is what creativity is all about. The engineers that we train at Northwestern, in my experience, are very broadly focused. And one of the wonders of them is they go in a lot of different directions when they go out the door. Sometimes it's interesting and it's also fun to talk to an employer who may not have been confronted with a Northwestern engineer before, and to sit with that employer and to say, this person is different. This person can write. This person can speak. This person understands something about the social sciences, and this person has the tools to be an exceptional and creative engineer.